Imagine you're standing on the moon, looking out at the vast expanse of space. You take a deep breath and jump. What happens? Moon gravity. The moon's gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's gravity, so you'll be able to jump much higher. In fact, you could jump about 6 times as high as you could on Earth. No atmosphere. The moon doesn't have an atmosphere, so there's no air resistance to slow you down. This means that you'll keep accelerating until you reach the ground. Escape velocity. The escape velocity of the moon is about 2.4 kilometers per second. This means that if you can jump faster than 2.4 kilometers per second, you'll be able to escape the moon's gravity and float off into space. Jumping from the moon. But even if you're the best high jumper in the world, you can't jump fast enough to escape the moon's gravity. The highest jump ever recorded on Earth was 2.45 meters. That's not even close to the escape velocity of the moon. So what happens if you jump from the moon? You'll come back down, of course. But because the moon's gravity is so weak, you'll fall slowly. It would take about 35 seconds to fall from a height of 1 kilometer. Landing. When you land, you'll hit the ground at about 56 meters per second. That's about 125 miles per hour. So it's definitely a good idea to wear a spacesuit and a helmet. Jumping from the moon is a wild thought experiment, but it's fun to think about what it would be like. And who knows, maybe one day we'll have the technology to jump from the moon and float off into space. If you jumped from the moon, you could see the entire Earth in the sky. The moon has no atmosphere, so the stars would be incredibly bright. You would be able to hear your own heartbeat as you fell, because there is no sound in space. When you landed, you would leave a footprint in the moon dust that could last for millions of years. Can you reach Earth after jumping from the moon? No, you cannot reach Earth after jumping from the moon. The moon's gravity is about 1/6 of Earth's gravity, so you can jump much higher than you could on Earth. However, the moon's escape velocity is about 2.4 kilometers per second. This means that if you want to escape the moon's gravity and float off into space, you need to jump faster than 2.4 kilometers per second. The highest jump ever recorded on Earth was 2.45 meters. This is not even close to the escape velocity of the moon. So, even if you are the best high jumper in the world, you would not be able to jump high enough to escape the moon's gravity. Additionally, the moon has no atmosphere, so there is no air resistance to slow you down. This means that you would keep accelerating until you reach the ground. When you land, you would hit the ground at about 56 meters per second, about 125 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous speed. So, while it is fun to think about what it would be like to jump from the moon, it is important to remember that it is not possible to reach Earth after jumping from the moon. You would simply come back down to the moon and hit the ground at a very dangerous speed. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more.